What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And today I'm gonna test something I saw on the internet. Of course, it's about bacon again. Who doesn't like bacon? Pretty much what they were saying, if you pour cold water on bacon before cooking it, it will reduce the shrinkage of bacon while it's cooking by 50%. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pour cold water on one side, probably half of that cold water and half not. I'm gonna stick it for 350 degrees and so as you can see, bacon looks like it's the same. Actually, the one that I did not rinse the cold water on it, a little bit more crispier and a little bit darker, and the other one less darker, but they do not shrink 50% less. They are exactly the same ones. Look at these two. Well, I call it a fail, and that does not work. So to be 100% sure, I did it again, and as you can see, they all shrink the same. So don't listen everything they say on internet. Sometimes it's not true. Sometimes it does not work, even though they say it does. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Moral of the story, do not listen everything they say on internet and then tell somebody that works. You actually want to test it out before you're gonna tell somebody, you know what I mean? I know a lot of people who did something on internet and they're gonna tell somebody or argue with somebody that it works without knowing that it works. So obviously that one did not work, even though they say it did. 50%, so it should have been twice longer than it shrunk. Anyways, thumbs up if you like this video, let me know what you think, comments below. And as always, thank you for watching. Check out my second channel, links in description. If you haven't subscribed already, do it. And check out my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, links in description as well. And I'll see you next time.